Yo, what is good? Today we're looking at the E900 gaming headset from today's sponsor, ESKA. This gaming headset is compatible with PC, PlayStation, and Xbox, but please, quick, give a like and subscribe. I want to get some more things going on with this channel. I want to be able to bring you more videos, more giveaways, but I need your help with a like and subscribe. But now, back to the headset. So this is a wired headset, right? These people ask me all the time, why are you using wired headsets? These are the two main reasons. One being that you usually ain't got to worry about no batteries. Second reason, latency. I love wireless technology, but I hate lag more than I love wireless. So having a direct connection is always a better experience for me in my gaming. Because when it gets serious in a game, I want every advantage I can get. I don't want to lose on a technicality, you know? So hear me out, yo, and consider trying out the wired headsets. The ESKA E900, for example, uses a 3.5mm jack, eliminating any of them issues associated with wireless connections. Some other notable features of the headset is the design and the construction. There's a detachable noise canceling mic, as well as a well-padded headband and ear pad for comfort and fit. I know comfort was an issue with my last pair of Turtle Beefs too, so I ain't happy with that, but I am happy with these. They're definitely fitting better. Plus, these are pretty sharp looking too, so you ain't gonna catch me complaining there. ESKA definitely has an amazing design team. They are on par with making some stuff that looks amazing. Got some great items at great prices. So that's what's up, y'all. I think it's worth checking out. Real quick again, give the video a like and subscribe. It's one of the only ways we can grow. And the more we grow, the more we can give you.